Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen accessories. Today, we're diving into one of the top picks for air fryer accessories, the Vangerute Collapsible 2-pack air fryer silicone liners. If you're on the lookout for a game changer in air frying, look no further. These rectangular silicone liners are exactly what you need to make your air frying experience cleaner, easier, and more efficient. First off, let's talk about design. These silicone liners are specifically designed to fit 8QT and 10QT Ninja Foodi dual air fryers. But their versatile shape means they'll work with a variety of other air fryer models as well. The standout feature of these liners is their collapsible design. Unlike other rigid liners, these can easily fold down for convenient storage, freeing up space in your kitchen. And when it's time to cook, you simply unfold the liner and place it right into your air fryer basket. The best part? It also has handles on both sides, making it a breeze to remove the liner without any mess. Cleaning is a breeze too. These liners are dishwasher safe, so you can just toss them in for a quick cleanup, leaving you with more time to enjoy your meal. No more scrubbing away stubborn grease and residue. The silicone material is designed to withstand high temperatures, up to 434 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it can handle the heat of air frying with no problem at all. But the real magic happens with its 3D grease drainage design. As you cook, grease and oils flow to the edge of the liner, keeping the food elevated. This ensures that you get the perfect crisp on your food, just like you would expect from traditional frying, but without all the extra oil. It's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy healthier meals with all the flavor. What really sets the Vangerute silicone liners apart from other air fryer accessories is their flexibility. Not only are they ideal for air fryers, but you can also use them in toaster ovens, steamers, microwaves, and even instant pots. The food-grade silicone is BPA-free and free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe option for direct contact with your food. Whether you're cooking meats, vegetables, or even baking treats, these liners make it easy to do it all. For those of you with a Ninja Foodi Dual DZ201, these liners are the perfect accessory. They'll help keep your air fryer basket pristine while providing optimal airflow for the best cooking results. Plus, the reusable nature of these liners means you're doing your part to help reduce waste and protect the environment. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-clean, and durable solution for your air fryer, the Vangerute Collapsible 2-pack air fryer silicone liners are the best choice. They're designed to make cooking easier, more efficient, and healthier, with the added bonus of being incredibly simple to store. Don't miss out on this essential kitchen accessory. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and product insights.